Hello students, a warm welcome you to our channel. Let's start complex number square root. We are going to learn how to find a square root of a complex number. So before we start this session, you please subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed this. So let's start. Question is find square root of 8 plus 6 iota. You can also get same statement in this way. This is second way. In you can get a statement. This is the third way in which you can get a statement. You can get same question in one of the three ways like this. You have to perform same thing and we can get such three statements. Find 8 plus 6 iota raised to power 1 by 2. Find square root of 8 plus iota 6. Find under root 8 plus 6 iota. So examiner or teacher can give us any one of these ways or these statements. Let's learn. Question. First of all, we have to assume, we have to let a plus iota be equal to 8 plus 6 iota. First of all, we have to write a plus ib, a plus iota b equal to given term. Then squaring both sides. Then you will do squaring both sides. Upon squaring, under root is cancelled. 1 by 2 is cancelled. 1 by 2 is cancelled. And because we are performing square, we are doing square on both sides. So a plus iota b gets a square and 8 plus 6 iota removes us 1 by 2. So from one side, half 1 by half is removed and another side 2 is come. 2 comes. Then next we have to write the formula of a plus iota b whole square. We know a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square, I square, b square. This is the formula of a plus iota b whole square. A square, second term square and plus 2a into b iota. And then we know iota square is equal to minus 1. So we have put in place of iota square is minus 1. It's okay. So then a plus minus minus and our statement becomes a square minus b square plus 2ab iota 8 plus 6 iota. Next, we are doing same question. Done. We have learned up to this. 2ab is equal to 6. Okay. So a square b square is equal to 8 and 2ab is equal to 6. Okay. Then next step is a square plus b square equal to under root a square b minus b square whole square plus 2ab whole square. Now you have to cram this formula. After these steps, you have to write formula. After performing these steps, you have to write this formula. Now put the value of a square minus b square, because we have calculated the values of a square and minus b square. So value of a square minus b square is 8, and we have put the value of a square minus b square here. And we have also put the value of 2ab, that is 6. Now we will perform square. 8, 8, 64, 6, 6, 36. Next step is sum of 64 and 36 is 100. Okay, so we have learned up to sum of 64 and plus 36 is 100, and square root of 100 is 10. Next, so we have got three statements, three equations equal to 10. So we have got three equations. We have got three equations. Now add first and third equation. When b is in plus, so they are cancelled. So we get 2a square equal to 18. And 2 cuts 18 by 9. And a square equal to 9. And square is removed and under root appears. Okay, 2 is removed and it appears in the form of under root 9. This is 3 plus minus 3. In the same way, we will subtract first and third. In next step, we have written same equation and now we are subtracting first and third. Now we will change the sign. Each slide you did addition, and here we are doing subtraction. So we are changing the signs. A square minus a minus b square minus. So this is correct calculation. Minus 10, 8. Minus 2, b square is cancelled. B square, 2b square, a square are cancelled here. Because b square is also in minus sign. And second b square is also in minus sign. Because sign is changed. Sign has been changed. Because we are doing subtraction. So minus signs are cancelled, 2 are cancelled, we get v square equal to 1 and v equal to plus minus 1. And then we write first statement again that we supposed in the beginning just before starting the sum. Now we are writing same equation once again. A plus iota b, 8 plus 6 iota 1 by half. Now we have calculated the value of a and b. B is 1. So we have put the value of a and b. Now we can also write like that. We have just shifted value to right side and right side value to left side. And now we will remove 1 by 2. When we remove 1 by 2, then it becomes like this. Because scary, okay. So with this is the answer. This is the answer. In this way, we will write the answer. Thank you. Have a nice time. And please, you subscribe our channel Thank you.